Very good morning to all. I am Ashish Kumar and I am a botany lecturer. Students, today I am going to present you a very important topic that is called as strategies for enhancement in food production, which is given in the CBSE 12 standard. So let us start with the strategies for enhancement of the food production. Dear students, we know that the population in the entire world is increasing day by day, and also most of the Asian countries' population is also increasing day by day, and that has really developed a concern for the food security. Malnourishment and food related deficiency disorders are increasing day by day. So in this chapter we are going to focus on those scientific techniques, that how we can increase the food production. And very important two techniques scientifically we are going to apply are called as animal breeding and plant breeding. In botany section we are going to study about plant breeding techniques, how these techniques can help us to enhance the food production. Here we go. So basically students, what is plant breeding means? Actually, plant breeding is a art and science of enhancing the genetics of the crop plant or developing the crop plant so that various quantitative and qualitative characteristics of the plants can be enhanced, and thereby we can achieve the human welfare. So basically, try to understand the definition of plant breeding. It is nothing but the art and science. Yes, it is art and science. Why art? Because it is actually performed on the field. It is agriculture, so we need a skill, that is art. And how it is science? Because we are not talking about traditional farming, students, rather we are talking about a very scientific level of farming. Now what we are going to do in a plant breeding? So in plant breeding there are different types of techniques. Okay students, so we can see that there are four types of ways by which we can increase the plant production: selection, hybridization, tissue culture, and a genetic engineering. Now we know that grossly around 9,000 to 11,000 years ago, agricultural or plant breeding techniques has started. Now since that time, the agriculture has gone through many phases. I mean, a lot of development. Now during this particular time of 10,000 years, the agriculture has increased enormously. The agriculture production is increasing and population is also increasing. But as a matter of fact student, population is always increasing at very high rate and the food supply is growing at a very slow rate. That is what exactly Malthus, the famous demographer, has said that. He said that the population will always grow and it will outsmart the resources. Resources will be always less. And therefore, to bridge that gap between food demand and agriculture production, these different techniques of plant breeding we are going to study. Now first of all, when we talk about the first method, that is called as selection. What is the word selection means? We know that when we go to jungle, there are different types of plant species are available. Suppose I draw this as a jungle. Now in jungle there are different types of wild plants. Now when the initial agriculture was started, the nomadic man went into the jungle and he observed that some plants are edible and some plants are non-edible. That was the beginning of agriculture. So those plants which we can eat are called as edible plants. So he selected those edible plants. And brought under human cultivation. He started growing those plants around his own area of settlement. And thus the wild plants are brought under the human control. Yes. So can we say that a nomadic man went into jungle, went into wild areas, selected those edible plants and started cultivating them under his own control? That is called as domestication of plant, and that is also called as a selection method. So this is how agriculture was started. Suppose this is the agricultural field, and we have started growing the plants in the agriculture field. Now you can look at this, that plants are growing here, and this is how the agriculture has begun. Now these plants are showing some sort of production per hectare or per acre. But as population started increasing, the land under agriculture remains constant or rather decrease, and population has enormously increased. So we have to search for the new technique. But don't worry, the human brain and the science has come to our help and rescue in form of a very new technique called as hybridization. Yes students, today even the population is almost reaching to the 7 billion and even cross the 7 billion, then also we are able to provide the food to maximum people only because of the hybridization technique. Now what is hybridization is all about? We'll study what is hybridization means. Let us write the word hybridization. It is one of the plant breeding technique. What is? Okay student, tell me, what is plant breeding? We have studied as a definition. It is art and science of improving crop plants for the human welfare. We have to enhance the quality of plants qualitatively as well as quantitatively. Now this is one of the technique of plant breeding by which we can increase or enhance the production. Now what is hybridization is actually? Hybridization means, suppose there is a one plant, this is one plant, and suppose there is another plant. I draw this as another plant. So what we do in hybridization, basically if I take this as a A species and if I take this as a B species or the B variety, let us take the two varieties, A and B varieties. Now A has some good qualities. Suppose it has good yield. It has good yield, and B plant, it is disease resistant. Now student, tell me what A plant has. It gives good yield. It means its production rate is very good. The number of seeds produced are more in comparison to the B plant. But B plant is disease resistant. It is not prone to diseases. It can resist and fight the diseases. Now B plant has some good trait, that is positive trait. Trait means a kind of characteristic, and A plant has some positive trait. But if we want both the trait in one plant, yes student, if you can produce a new plant which is disease resistant as well as having good yield, definitely it will give us a more enhancement in the fruit production. Definitely it will increase the farmer's income, and there will be a win-win situation. Therefore what we are going to do, we are going to bring both the character into C plant, good yield as well as disease resistant. How the two characters of two different plants can be brought together? By hybridization. So what we are going to do in hybridization, we are going to cross two or more parents with the desirable characteristics, and we are going to make a new offspring which will have the characters of both the desirable parents. And thus the new variety produced in this case, the C variety, we are going to produce by crossing A and B, called as a hybrid plant, and this entire program is called as hybridization. So student, have you got at least the idea what we are going to do in hybridization? Very nice, very nice. So hybridization means crossing of two plants. So students, definitely when we go for hybridization, then definitely we need to understand different steps of hybridization. And in this chapter, in strategies for enhancement of fruit production, as far as plant breeding technique is concerned, this is the most important topic from the NEET point of view. Okay, so in CBSE, what are the different steps are given, that we'll try to study now. students, you have to remember from the NEET point of view that hybridization is the most exploited method of plant breeding. We have done different methods to increase the fruit production, but always remember which is the most exploited method, most used method in agriculture. Yes, hybridization. So can we go for to study the steps in hybridization? Yes. What are the steps in hybridization? So as far as steps is concerned, we can have a short trick for this. स्टेप्स को याद रखने के लिए हम लोग एक शॉर्ट ट्रिक बनाते हैं. कल से क्रॉस टेस्ट ले ले. हमने क्या शॉर्ट ट्रिक बनाया? कल से क्रॉस टेस्ट ले ले. ये शॉर्ट ट्रिक मतलब क्या है? हाउ टू रिमेंबर द स्टेप्स इन हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. अब ये पहला स्टेप, ये दूसरा स्टेप, ये तीसरा स्टेप, ये चौथा स्टेप और ये पांचवा स्टेप. Let's take the first step. First step means कल, मतलब collection. The first step is collection of germplasm. Collection of germplasm. Yes. दूसरा step से मतलब selection. Selection of desirable parents. Selection of desirable parents. Yes. थर्ड स्टेप क्रॉस, मतलब जो पेरेंट सिलेक्ट किए, क्रॉस हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. फर्स्ट विल राइट ऑल द स्टेप, देन वी विल एक्सप्लेन क्रॉस हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. आगे क्या है दोस्तों? फोर्थ टेस्ट, टेस्टिंग ऑफ हाइब्रिड्स प्रोड्यूस और ऑफस्प्रिंग्स. और फिफ्थ क्या है? यहाँ पे लेले का मतलब क्या है कि भाई ये वैरायटी अगर तैयार हो गई तो कमर्शियलाइजेशन, फार्मर्स को हम लोग इसको कल्टीवेट करने के लिए दे देंगे. कमर्शियलाइजेशन ऑफ वैरायटी, कमर्शियलाइजेशन एंड रिलीज ऑफ वैरायटी, ऑफ न्यू वैरायटी. इतना आसान है दोस्तों ये. तो क्या ट्रिक याद रखेंगे हम लोग? कल से क्रॉस टेस्ट ले ले. कल यानी कलेक्शन ऑफ जर्मप्लाज्म, से यानी सिलेक्शन ऑफ डिजायरेबल पेरेंट्स, क्रॉस यानी क्रॉस हाइब्रिडाइजेशन, टेस्ट यानी टेस्टिंग ऑफ हाइब्रिड प्रोड्यूस्ड एंड कमर्शियलाइजेशन एंड रिलीज ऑफ न्यू वैरायटी. अगर ये हमारा प्रोग्राम सक्सेसफुल हो गया, देन वी कैन से we can give this variety for the cultivation to the farmers and thereby we can increase the production. So students, today we have understood what can be the most common steps observed in hybridization, and by using these steps we can produce the hybrid plants with the desirable qualities. Yes students, now in the next class we are going to study every step in detail. What is collection of germplasm, what is selection of desirable parents, what is cross hybridization, what is testing, and what is commercialization. And we are going to study different varieties of plants produced by topmost agricultural apex organization of India, that is IARI, which is located at Pusa, New Delhi. In the coming lectures, very interestingly we can see how different varieties we have produced and how the face of Indian agriculture, how the face of entire world agriculture is changed by this magical method called as hybridization. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next class.